If you aren't a fan of spiders, a visit to Professor Glenn King's laboratory may change your mind. His lab at the University of Queensland houses one of the largest collection of venoms in the world. And within these venoms are a treasure trove of molecules known as peptides that could be harnessed for good.
And we use venomous animals to develop eco-friendly insecticides and human therapeutics.
It's research Professor King first became interested in the 90s, when people started realising some insecticides are very harmful, not just to pests, but also other animals and humans. So Professor King set out to find an alternative.
And we went and looked at the best insect killers on the planet, which are spiders. They'd been working on this problem for up to 400 million years. They'd probably worked out the best way to kill insects.
Not everyone was convinced, as spider venom peptides were thought to be too unstable and not orally ingestible by pests such as caterpillars.
Turns out that many spider venom peptides are orally active, and for that to happen, they have to have two properties. One, they have to survive the insect gut, which like our gut is really, really good at chewing up proteins and peptides. Then they have to cross the insect gut to get into the hemolymph, the blood system, if you like, of the insect. It turns out many of them can do that as well.
He found that several peptides found in venom of the Blue Mountains funnel web spider selectively kill insects, including key agricultural pests. Importantly, these peptides don't hurt pollinators such as bees. Realising the commercial potential of this discovery, Professor King founded the agricultural biotechnology company Vesteron in 2005.
This year, they released the first product for use on broadacre crops, things like corn, cotton, soybean, and that's where it's going to have a really major impact around the world.
He's also enlisted the help of spiders to treat human conditions such as stroke and heart attack.
So your brain becomes acidic during a stroke, and it turns out that activates a receptor that causes the nerve cells to commit suicide. And our simple idea was, what if we could find an inhibitor of that receptor?
They discovered the venom of the Gari funnel web spider has a very potent inhibitor for this specific receptor. In experiments with rodents, delivery of the inhibitor within the first few hours of stroke reduced brain damage by 80%. And in a heart attack, that same inhibitor reduced damage to the heart by about 40%.
So stroke and heart attack together are responsible for almost 30% of all deaths around the world every year. And yet, remarkably, we don't have a single drug to prevent the damage caused to the tissue in either of those cases. If we could change that, it would be profound in terms of the treatment of people that have a stroke or heart attack.
Professor King's groundbreaking work saw him awarded a Prime Minister's Prize for Innovation in 2023. And it's something that this new Fellow of the Australian Academy of Science says also speaks to the power of doing basic research.